The Continental style is just one of many positions for knitting. The most important part of this technique is the placement of the yarn. With your left hand, hold the yarn. Drape the yarn over your pinky finger. Wrap the yarn around the finger. With the pointer finger, scoop the yarn strand. This position regulates the tension of the yarn. Hold the needle with your thumb and middle finger. Gently tighten the yarn. Place the plain needle in your right hand. The yarn will be supported at these 2 points. The needle tips will be close together, while the opposite side will be farther apart. You are now ready to begin knitting.